Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Glitter Lung Lessons. I am super excited to give you guys the lesson for today, but first I want to give you a couple quick announcements here. The first announcement is going to be that since we are entering summer and hopefully things will be returning a little bit more to normal, the amount of videos I produce each week is going to go down to only one video per week instead of our normal 2 a week. So we will still be having videos uploaded every Thursday, but we will not be seeing videos on Tuesday. The second announcement is going to be that for the month of June, we're going to have all rainbow-themed art projects in honor of Pride Month to recognize that. So for today's art lesson, we are going to do a melted crayon canvas. And as you can see, I have unwrapped the crayons that are the colors of the rainbow. I have a red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet going on here. And I've hot glued them down. And while this lesson is appropriate for any student, any age, if you're little, you may want to have an adult at home help you with the hot glue. The next thing I'm going to need, besides these crayons unwrapped and this canvas, is I'm going to need to go get my hair dryer, and I'm going to use the hair dryer on a low setting at first and then a high setting to melt the wax down the canvas, and I will speed up the camera to show you how that looks. Okay guys, we did it! So, one thing I wanted to do after I let the wax cool down, after it melted, was I noticed there was some white space, and I don't like to leave my canvas just plain white, so I took some black paint and a small paintbrush, and I went... Ooh, the sides are still a little wet, so I apologize. I went all around the bottom and the sides of my canvas. So when I'm done, I have this really cool rainbow melted crayon drip art masterpiece here that I can hang on my wall. I cannot wait to see how yours turned out. I can't even decide if I like it going up and down or the other way more. I'll have to play around with that. But I want to see what yours looks like, so feel free to take a picture of your artwork and email it to me at glitterlunglessons@gmail.com. Until next time, guys, stay creative.